welcome back to our channel, and again, this is Lorie. So I have my two younger sisters with me today, and they're the one who's going to say these words. So we have here,
Hi guys, I'm Hannah.
so she is Hannah, and here,
Hi guys, I'm Trixie.
yes, Trixie. So are you ready? Let's start now. Okay, so I have here, okay, this word. Okay, let's start with Hannah. Hannah, how do you pronounce this?
Nestil.
Ano? What? Gusto mo?
Nestil.
Nestle. Hannah said Nestle. Trixie.
Nestle.
Nestle. Trixie said Nestle. So, that one, guys. Okay, next. Hannah.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Next.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Magduman ko magtaramiyo. Next, guys, we have
Refrigerator. Refrigerator.
so, can you hear the difference, guys? Next.
I do.
I do. Trixie.
Idiot.
Okay, so next.
Joran.
Joran. Hannah said Joran.
Jodoran.
Joran. I don't know where did she get the word Joe. I mean the.
Coffee. Coffee.
Okay, next.
Diabetes.
Okay, next.
Diabetes.
Okay.
Biscuit.
Hannah said biscuit.
Biscuit.
Biscuit. Next.
Entrepreneur.
Okay.
Entrepreneur.
Okay, next we have.
Gourmet.
Okay, Hannah said gourmet. Trixie.
Gourmet.
Trixie said gourmet. It's gourmet. Ah.
Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus.
Trixie.
Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus, Trixie said. Okay, next.
Parachute. Parachute. Parantual.
Hannah said parantual.
Parantual.
Parantual. Next.
Sushi.
Hannah said zuchi. Zushi?
Sushi.
Next.
Cocoa.
This is.
Cocoa.
I don't know. You know, like. The first time I pronounced it correctly, when it was actually last year, my husband finally told me that it is not pronounced as cocoa, it's cocoa. But here in the Philippines, we say it cocoa. Okay? Next.
Caterpillar. Caterpillar.
Caterpillar. Trixie said caterpillar. Hannah said caterpillar. Next.
Debut.
Hannah said debut.
Debut.
Trixie said debut.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Graham.
They said Graham.
Graham.
Trixie said Graham.
Boutique.
Hannah said boutique. Trixie.
Beauty Q.
Trixie said boutique. Boutique. Shop.
Broccoli.
Mhm.
Broccoli. Gorilla.
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 That's actually what I said too before, gorilla, but the right pronunciation was gorilla. It's a gorilla. Thank you so much guys for watching this video and I hope we made you happy. And again, this is Lorie. Hannah.
Hannah.
She forgot her name. and
Trixie.
Trixie. So, thank you. Have a nice day, guys. Peace.